Hello everybody, my name is Thirmal Reddy Balasnehita. My registration number is York 19CS1222 and today we are going to discuss about simulate disk scheduling algorithms. And in this disk simulate in this today in the program of disk scheduling algorithm, today we are going to see about FCFS and SSTF. And in this, one of the most responsible of the operating system is to use the hardware efficiently for the disk drives. Meeting this uh, responsibilities, having their fast access time and large disk bandwidth. Both of the access timing and bandwidth can be improved by managing the order in which disk input and output requests are served, which is called as disk scheduling. The simplest form of disk scheduling is the first come and first served, that means FCFS algorithm. And this algorithm is fair, but it generally does not provide a faster service. In scan algorithm, the disk arm starts at one end and moves towards the other end, serving request, and it reaches each cylinder until it gets the other end of the disk. At the other end, the direction of head movement is reversed and the serving continues, and the head continuity scans back and forth and crosses the disk. Like C scan is variant scan that designs to provide a more uniform wait time. Like scan skis C scan moves the head from one end of the disk to the other end of the disk servicing servicing request among the way. When the head reaches to the other end, however, it immediately returns to the beginning of the disk without serving any devices, without serving any requests of the return trip. See, now let's look at FCF. First come first serve. N equal to int input, enter the number of tracks, print, enter the query. Required query equal to list map int input dot split. Head equal to int input, head starts at list. For I in range length, required query -1 0 -1 length append apps request query I minus request query I -1, where list append requires required query head print different heads. For I in range length, print query where -1 -1 print list I, print total number of movements plus string sum list. So I'll run my code now. Sorry, actually it is asking us to enter the number of tracks, and I'm entering it as 8, and the number of query as 98, as they are given in the question as 98, 183, 37, 122, 14, 124, 65, 67. and head starts at 53 and the head difference is 45, 85, 146 for 83 minus 53, and the head difference is 45, like that for all, and my total head movements are 640. And my next one is about SSTF. N equal to int input, enter the number of tracks, print, enter the query, required query equal to list map int input split, head equal to int input head start set, final equal to open close bracket for I in required query, empty list equal to open and close bracket for j in required query, I j not equal to none and head not equal to none and head not equal to j, empty list dot append apps head minus j, else empty list dot append float in final dot append min empty list head equal to required query, empty list dot index minute empty list required query dot index head equal to none, print head difference for I in final, print f, print total head moves is 2 plus string sum final. Now I'm going to run this. Total number of tracks 8, and queries are 98 as they given in question, 98, 183 and 37, 122, 14, 124, 65, 67, and the head starts at 53. And the difference between 98, 53, 12, 220, and my total head movements are 256. By this I completed my programming successfully. Thank you.